Hey guys, good morning. I wasn't really planning on vlogging today, but I thought I might as well because I do have few Amazon packages. I actually really have a busy day ahead, but I still thought that I'll take you guys along with me. So far I got up and then I also had my lunch, kind of like a brunch. I had an early lunch today because I was very hungry. Did not really work out that much because didn't really feel like doing it. So I'm not like that hard on myself. I let my body be and let me be whenever I feel like it. And yeah, I have to actually get on a call and with a brand to discuss this video and just everything, so I'm gonna do that. But before that, I am actually going to be putting up aloe vera gel. So what I've been doing is, as I mentioned, I think I've mentioned it a couple of times already, that I've been breaking out, like stress breaking out actually. So I've been using the aloe vera gel. I've been putting it on my face in the morning right after I take a shower. And I think that has been helping my skin a lot. So what I basically do is I just cut up a leaf from the aloe vera plant that I have, and I just apply it on my face, maybe let it sit for like 20 minutes or maybe as long as it takes to dry up, and then I just wash it off. I think that has been really helping my skin. A lot of you guys also recommended that I should try Himalaya neem face wash, but I don't know. So I think I'm just going to do that now, and I'll see you. So don't mind my face, but I was actually looking at Fashion Nova. I've never really shopped from them. Let me know if you guys have, but I've always seen their ads and stuff, so I was just going through their website. Most of the things are, I mean, a lot of their stuff is like extremely scandalous, but a few things are like really nice, and I was just going through it. So yeah, not saying I'm not sure if I'll be shopping or no, but if I do, you'll come to know obviously because you'll see a haul. But yeah, okay, so I'm just going to do my makeup now because I have to like start filming my haul video, which is like my Nykaa haul. I got like bunch of things from Nykaa. So yeah, I really like using this product. By the way, this is not sponsored at all, but I mean there is a sponsored video coming up, but this is not that video, like for sure. This is L'Oreal Paris Revitalift. This is the Crystal Micro Essence. I honestly love this product so much. I use it every single day. It's pretty good. I really like the smell and also how it makes my skin look and feel. Okay, so I just got done filming my haul, and this is how my hand looks now. I have to clean up all the mess that I created right now, and I'm so happy. I mean, it is a little sunny today. I can't even tell you, like, oh my god, yesterday and day before yesterday it was raining like cats and dogs, and that was like driving me crazy. I hate it. I mean, I even mentioned it last time. I don't like it when it's so gloomy, and last 2 days were, oh my god. But I'm so happy that finally it's a little sunny and it's a little clear out, so I really like it. And yeah, I think I'm just going to clean up all this mess that I created, and then I'll show you guys everything that I got from Amazon, which I'm super excited for. I may even do like an updated room tour. I'll tell you guys all about it. Just give me a minute. Also, this is what I wore today. These are just the pants that I got from H&M, which is really comfy, really nice. And the top is from Shein, which you obviously cannot get. And yeah, that's what I'm wearing. And oh my god, look at that sun! Yay! This is literally what my room looks like with all the mess that I created. That's my laptop sitting right there, and all the products and everything. So yeah. Oh my god, I forgot to click my thumbnail. Oh, gotta do that. it's actually a table that I got, and I think I'm not in this game. Okay, what? There's a lot of like okay, I figured it out. Okay, so it is like this. I don't even know if you can see. It's basically like a table that you open up. Yeah, there you have it. That's my table, but as you can see, there's like a lot of fungus. I think it's because it's rainy season, so it does have like a lot of fungus. But it's super cool. I like it. I mean, it's just, that's how it is. And yeah, as you can see, there's like a lot of it. Okay, I'm not going to touch it more. But yeah, my point being, that's not the reason why I'm going to return it, because I think if it's wood, it does get fungus. Like I remember last time when I got this, this rack had like so much fungus, but then I cleaned it and now it's fine. And this is such a good material, and this was such a steal. I think I got it for like 400 rupees, which is amazing. And yeah, it is a little like, I mean, for 400 rupees it's really nice, I feel. So yeah, the reason why I got this is because I want to put like a, I think I can even put my, I don't know if I can put my laptop on it, but I can pretty much like write and stuff. So I needed something like that. I actually really want to get my hands on a good study table, but for now this works. I really like it. So that's that. I also, another reason why I got this for is because I can put my plants on it, and yeah, I think it will look nice. Another table that I got, I actually opened it and I also used it in my shoot. I've just kept my books and my diary on it. This is how that table looks like. This one is for 900 rupees. It's pretty good, like pretty sturdy. Like these are like the, this has like metal stands. It's pretty sturdy. The only problem is that the color is like coming off, and my brother was recommending me that I should get it exchanged, or maybe I should just return it, but I don't know, I don't feel like doing that. I don't know why. I just really like it, and I feel like this much wouldn't be a problem, but he's like, no, since you have paid the money, I think you should. But I really like this one as well. This is a pretty chotu table. Yesterday I had to shoot for this one brand, so I put up like makeup products on it and like posed along. Okay, I got a call in between, which I forgot to record, but it was the call that I spoke about, like the brand wala call. But yeah, now that that's done, I was talking about this. So my brother says that I should get it exchanged or maybe return it, but I feel like it's nice. I think I told you that. I'm really excited. I think I'm also, as I mentioned, that I do like styling videos on Instagram. For those videos, I think this would be so good. Like I could put it on the side. I think it would look really nice. Like the frame would look really nice. Now I'll show you a very exciting thing that I got, which I actually put up. I'll show you. Okay, so this is what I got. This is called macrame hanging thingy, I guess. So and I've also put my snake plant in it. I actually put this khila galti se here, and then I always thought to myself that whenever I get my silver play button, which I did get it, I thought I'd put it there. But when the silver play button arrived, I saw that that also needs like 2 khilas, and yeah, I mean I can still fit that one here, but yeah, as it's the lockdown and I won't find someone who can do it for me. So I just thought that, and this khila was bothering me so much. Initially I thought that I'll put it right there, but I don't know, I think it's a little too high, and yeah, if I were to put water or something like that, I really don't want it to fall on my bed. So I think this looks perfect. Okay, so I actually have to sit down and edit my video, and but I'm so hungry. And as I mentioned, I think I had like early brunch today and I really don't have anything to eat except Maggie, and I think I also have fruits. Oh, what to do? I don't want to eat unhealthy. I think I should stick to apple. So I think I'm going to go and eat an apple. Guys, look who's here. Oh my god, some of your hair is like so long. I actually even like we filmed that video together wherein I cut his hair and it never really went online. So yeah, I think now I'm going to make one probably in a day or two, and that should go up on my Marathi channel. But oh my god, I think now that he's here and I was just editing my video for a while, I think now I'm going to go and make some chai for me, and Samat has got like some snacks. Basically it's just like chips and stuff. So we are going to have a little chai party. Also, something that I wanted to address is that a lot of you guys have been asking me and have been DMing me about giveaway, like when I'll be announcing the winners, and I've been getting these messages since the day I put up that video. So firstly, in like initially 2-3 days I was just wondering that it's just been a day or two. I get it now, it's been a week, but I think I'm going to host it for another week. I posted the video on Wednesday, so ye Wednesday to ho gaya. So by next weekend you should like I will most definitely put out a winner's name. By next weekend you can definitely expect the results, and don't worry, I'll put it on my YouTube story, Instagram story. I'll also mention it in a video if I'm filming a video around that time. If not, then community post and YouTube story and Instagram story is something that you should look out for. Definitely वहाँ पे पता चल ही जाएगा, and YouTube story तो is there for 7 days. So even if I put it on the weekend, you can see it like for another week, so you will know who the winner is. So yeah, please don't bombard me with those messages. So that was it. I have to edit today's video and put it up, so I'm going to go ahead and do that. I honestly don't know how do people do this every single day. Also, all of this is just my sweat, and as you can see I still have this lipstick. I think I'll have to use a makeup remover to get it off, but yeah, all of this is just like oil and sweat. Also, so what was I saying? Yeah, I honestly don't know how do people do this every single day or like daily vlog their lives. Like it's so difficult because firstly there's not a lot to show, because it was kind of a productive day, and I hope that you liked it. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, then you know the drill. Like, share, comment, and also subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, as it would mean the world to me. So please go ahead and do that, and that being said, I will see you next time. Bye.